happy Friday. Remember I said that it's supposed to start to snow at 3 a.m. and it's not supposed to stop snowing till tomorrow morning, I think, at whatever, I don't even know. You know what, let's find out. Hold on. Now, Alexa says that it's not supposed to start snowing till 8:30 a.m. But it was saying 6 a.m. And then, you know, she's not reliable in the weather. She don't know a lot. I'm telling you. You know what we're going to do? We're going to use our eyeballs. We're going to put my slippers on. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to use our eyeballs. And we're going to look outside. Because that seems like the easiest. Look. Aw, look at the kitty. She's just laying there. A big ball of fur just laying there. I know. Look at Russ's side. Ugh. It's fine. Everything's fine. I really gotta pee. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I just spent like 20 minutes on the toilet. Let's see. Let's see what it's like. Oh God. Without falling over. Let's see what it's like outside. It's not currently snowing, but it did snow more. Russ did shovel. Look at his truck. Why is it out front? Because we're going out tomorrow night more than possibly if it's not too bad. So here's the snow. It's it is what it is, I guess.
Later.
All right, hello, afternoon. Just really quick, we're gonna see where we're at with the snow. We'll determine whether or not we actually go outside today. Probably not. Here's what it looks like. Yay, we forgot to bring our things in. It's not totally full. We can kind of see this is, what is that, 6 inches, 8 inches? And it's still snowing. Can you see? It's a little blurry probably, but it's still snowing. It's tiny flakes. It's not big fat flakes, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so it's still snowing. It's almost to the bottom of the door, which is 8, 10 inches, something. I don't know. It's garbage. That's what it is. We will not be going out tonight. Thank you. Have a nice night. Yes, you want treats? Treats for kitty kitty. There we go. You ready? You can't hear me. Why am I talking to you? Okay. Here, I'll sit right here even. Yep. You take small appliances for granted. For granted. I went to plug in my pressure cooker and it was a spark or pop and a little smoke from the pressure cooker. Then I went to rewrap it with take a look at the cord, and then, well, that's that.
Was the cord breaking and you just wrapped it?
Originally, yeah, like months ago. And it was fine. That's the end of that.
And make sure you're getting back what you put in. I get what you're saying.
Did this start in the middle? Did this one start in the middle?
Anything can happen, right? Never say never.
Oh, I think this is...
Oh, it's one that you fell asleep to. We're getting mad. We're watching Vanderpump Rules, and I made chicken bow tie Alfredo. We didn't have any Alfredo sauce, so I had to make it with the chicken and the milk and the seasonings. Yep. It's really good. We're experimenting. Limited supplies. We're trying to make cookies. So, 2 ingredients. This ingredient, you can see I use a lot. I think I've got like maybe 2 cups. And then also a cup of this ingredient. Powdered sugar. I'm keeping it a secret from Russ because I like to tease him. And then you preheat 350. Put this in the fridge for like 30 minutes, okay?
For what is it you're making?
For 30 minutes. 350 on the oven, 30 minutes in the fridge with that batter. Okay? Cookies! I'm making cookies! I said I was making cookies. I didn't see it. So we're gonna try it. We'll see. I'll show you when they're done. All right.
Cookie!
Airbnb and get a place to yourself.
Here's what they look like. They look good. Some of them fell apart because it's 2 ingredients. It's brown sugar. It's powdered sugar
And peanut butter.
and peanut butter.
Toasty!
It's powdered sugar and peanut butter, but I didn't measure. I should have measured. I didn't measure, and that's why the ratio is off. They taste like peanut butter cookies, but they're a little dry. Well, they're creamy. They're dry, but they do creamy. They melt in your mouth like peanut butter does. They're not bad. Anyway, back to drama. All right. It is 12:11 a.m. Is it still snowing? I don't know. We're gonna find out. I can't even see out my freaking door. Yeah. It is still snowing. And it's right underneath the snow. It's right on, look, you can see it's pushed some of the snow away. Look at that. It's right up underneath. And it's still coming down. Yep. Here's my mailbox. Look at this. Look at all that. Looks like we're stuck inside till tomorrow at least. And then, yeah, I think it's supposed to snow till noon or something tomorrow.
That's what I heard.
That's what Russ heard. Excuse me. So we'll find out. Have yourself a good night.
Censor!
We'll
Censor!
see
Censor!
you See you tomorrow.
Censored.
Toodles.
I need